Yes, coming to the solution of this problem number 1. So, very first question is find out the need matrix. So, need matrix formula is max minus allocation. Okay, so max minus allocation table. So, first we'll write like this: P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, resources A, B, C. Okay, so start with the process P0. To calculate the need of process P0, apply this formula. So max means this one. 7, 5, 3 minus 0, 1, 0. Max minus allocation. Okay, so first you minus 7 minus 0. A component. Okay, 7 minus 0 is how much? 7. Right? He requested for 7 resources. He allocated 0 resources here. Right? So still how much he need? He need again 7 only. So that is what we are getting here. And the same way B part. Okay, B resource. So 5 minus 1. B column. So that is 5 minus 1 is you are going to get 4. He requested for 5 times of this resource type B and he got only 1 time. He needs still 4 times. Okay. So same way calculate for C. So he requested for 3. He was not even allocated for 1 time. So 3 minus 0, that is 3 only. Okay. And moving forward to process P1. Process P1, max table 3 minus allocation 2. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. Okay. 3 minus 2 is 1. Same way for B part. Again in the B column of a max, 2 minus B column of allocation 0. 2 minus 0 is 2 only. Same way C part of P1. So that is 2 minus 0. 2. And further continue with the process P2. So that is 9 minus 3. That is 6. 0 minus 0. It doesn't require resource type B and even is not allocated also. Okay. 2 minus 2. 0. When you go on, continue like that, you are going to get P3 and P4 need also. Apply the formula max minus allocation. Okay, so it is not a whole number. You should not minus, for example, 322 minus 200. It is wrong. Okay, it is 3 minus 2. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. It is a single component. It is not a whole number. Okay, so if you do like that, it's very simple. Just a subtraction. Okay, max minus allocation, you are going to get a need matrix. You got answer for first question, need matrix. Okay, moving forward for the second part, that is the system is in a safe state. Okay, for this you need to go with the algorithm. Okay, you can open the algorithm, Backus algorithm, in order to calculate the safe state. Okay, so algorithm is, first step in algorithm, work should be initialized to available. Okay, so available is there 332. So initialize your work. Okay, so that is work is equal to 332. It is given in the algorithm. Work should be assigned with available. Available is 332. So I initialized work is equal to 332. And in the same step he has given finish of I should be assumed to be false. Okay. So means ಯಾವ process ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನು execution ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ that is why I am going to write finish of all the processes, that is I process, is equal to false. It is also going to be the assumption. Okay, so moving forward to the second step. So that is, if finish of I is equal to the false, okay, if finish of I is compared with the false, then check for the second condition, need should be less than or equal to the work. Okay, so we'll check this one, need should be less than or equal to the work. So in such condition, so already I assume all processor are finished, means they are not finished, they are all false ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೀಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ 743 ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ P0ದು ನೀಡು 743, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ 332 ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ವೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ಆಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. Okay, so let us check this one for process P0. So P0 is not finished, it is false because I only made the assumption. So check for the second condition, need should be less than or equal to work. So 7, okay, should be less than or equal to the this part 3. Okay, so that is, this is also resource type A, B, C. ನೀಡಲ್ಲಿರೋವಂಥ ಎ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸು ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀಡ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ನೀಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, 7 is greater than the 3, so it is false. Okay, I cannot finish process P0. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ P0ನ ನಾನು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ P0ನ ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 743 ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ P0 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವರ್ಕು ಈಗ ನಮಗಿರೋದೆಷ್ಟು 332, ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 332 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ P0ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, 743 ಬೇಕು. 7 is not available here, it is only